Well, I was gonna play with the Tram D201A Frankenstein with the LED today and turned it on. I was playing with it last night. It was working great, and turned it on today and got a massive AC hum. I'm like, dang, must be a capper. I was like, well, I thought it was a recap, a while ago, years ago, but AC hum, you can hear it now, and that's with the volume all the way down. And the receive tone control is filtering some of it out. I'm going to turn the bass on to the receive tone control. Now mind you, that's with the volume all the way down again. It goes away when I turn the volume up a little bit. That's turning the volume up. I'm like, what in the world could that be? So I was thinking, start pulling tubes to figure out, where that's coming from. But I noticed when you change channels, in between the channels, you got rid of the AC hum. So then I pulled off the output of the PLL with the RCA cord, and it stopped. And I'm like, well, okay, must be a bad cap in the PLL. And before I pull that out, I'm thinking, well, the only thing I did last night was put an LED bulb in it. And then I thought, well, who knows? One LED, LED number 2. Who says picking up noise out of LEDs ain't crucial? Yep, AC hum is gone. 2 LED bulbs in the display. I guess the PLL in this radio was picking that up. So again, that's why I think I got my 910 dB noise level, since they went with LED street lights. But that's what I found today with this tram. Alright, that's it for this one. Bye.